Bank of America is cutting off loans to manufacturers of military-style firearms. A vice chairman of the second largest U.S. bank told Bloomberg Television about the move in an interview on Tuesday. When asked about Bank of America's stance on firearms, Ann Finucane said, "We want to contribute in any way we can to reduce these mass shootings." Back in February, BOA announced it would speak with firearms manufacturers to examine what it can do to help end the tragedy of mass shootings. Bank of America isn't the only financial institution taking a stance on firearms. Citigroup has asked its retail clients to not sell firearms to anyone under 21 or sell bump stocks or high-capacity